Hi, it's Mark Rosenthal, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a photo album on a Facebook group. Your first option is if you have a cell phone, do not use the Facebook app. Use your browser and go to facebook.com and log in that way. Treat it like you would a computer. Now let me show you how to do it on a computer, what your next steps are. Click on the Photo tab. Then you're going to click on Upload Photos. Then you're going to pick the photos. I'm just going to pick a ring and my Kelly Clarkson photo. When it's uploading more than one item, it will automatically create an album. You name your album up here. Then you put in some details. Always put a price on your items if you're on my website. So let's say I want $350 for this. I want $400 for that. I can put as many details as I want and would really help me sell my items. Next, I'll post photos. This is created an album on the group. I can edit the album at any time, add more photos, change the description, but let's go back to group and find the album of this. There it is. Every time I add an item, it comes up on the feed so everybody will be able to see it. There's my album that I just made on the group. If you have any questions, just contact one of the admins. We'll try to help you. But this video shows you how to make an album on any any Facebook group. Thank you.